Friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about is auto rotate mode setting. How can we enable in Poco phone and how to use it. Today I will show you in this video, and today we will try that is guys auto rotate mode screen setting. How can we enable in Poco phone. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe this channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends. You can see your display setting guys. Click on display setting guys. Again scroll. Hence you can see your auto rotate screen mode setting. Last setting is tap here where we will enable from this right side. And once you want to rotate your screen, so you can rotate. Like suppose that you are using your Play Store and any app guys. Hence you want to rotate guys, you can rotate like that and you can use it your auto rotate screen mode setting guys. So like that guys, you can enable your auto rotate screen. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Bye guys. And friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your display and brightness setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.